You ever open your banking app, stare at your balance for 5 seconds, close it, and then just hope things magically work out? Like, you know rent is due. You know you've got bills coming. But somehow your brain is like, let's not emotionally process this right now. You're not reckless. You're not irresponsible. You're just tired of money feeling like this constant, low-grade anxiety in the background of your life. You make money, but it disappears. You try to save, but something always comes up. And budgeting? Every time you hear that word, it feels like punishment for being poor. If that's you, yeah, this video is for you. My name is Rain, and I spend way too much time thinking about personal finance and how normal people are supposed to survive in a system that's quietly draining them. If you're someone who feels broke no matter how hard you try, doesn't know where your money actually goes, and feels like you're one emergency away from financial chaos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're breaking down how to budget when you're broke. The 50/30/20 rule explains simply how much emergency fund you actually need and the money mistakes. I wish someone had slapped me with it 20. No fluff. No, just make more money nonsense. Let's talk about real life. Let's clear something up immediately. Budgeting is not about restriction, but it's about control. Most people think budgeting is something you do after you're rich. Wrong. Budgeting is what stops you from staying broke forever. Here's the psychology problem. When you're broke, your brain is in survival mode. Your goal isn't optimization, it's relief. So when money comes in, you're not thinking, how do I allocate this responsibly? You're thinking, what problem can I make disappear right now? That's why you avoid checking your balance. You don't track expenses. You feel guilty even thinking about money. Budgeting feels like adding stress to an already stressful situation. But here's the truth. Not budgeting is actually what's keeping you stressed. When you're broke, forget fancy spreadsheets. We're doing a bare minimum budget. Step 1. Write down only 4 numbers. 1. Monthly income after tax. 2. Rent or housing. 3. Food. 4. Transportation. That's it. No Netflix guilt. No coffee shame. Just survival categories. Example. Income. $2,000 rent. $900 food. $300 transportation. $200. Now subtract. $2,000 to $1,400 equals $600 left. That $600 is where control begins. Most budgets fail because they try to be perfect. This one works because it removes overwhelm. It gives clarity instantly. It shows you the truth without judgment. Once you can see reality clearly, you can change it.
You've probably heard of the 50/30/20 rule, but it's usually explained by people who've never been broke a day in their life. So let's translate it into real-world language. What the 50/30/20 rule actually means: 50% needs gives survival, 30% wants gives enjoyment, 20% saving gives future you. But here's the important part. This is a guideline, not a law. If you're broke, your version might look like 70% needs, 20% wants, 10% saving. And that's okay. Let me say something controversial. Saving $25 a month when you're broke is more powerful than saving $500 when you're rich. Why? Because it rewires your identity. You stop seeing yourself as, I can't save, and start seeing yourself as, I'm someone who saves, even when it's hard. That mindset compounds faster than money ever will. Take your monthly income, multiply it by 0.5 needs, 0.3 wants. 0.2 savings. If the numbers don't work, adjust the percentages, not the habit. Saving $10 is better than saving $0 always. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this: you are not bad with money. You were just never taught how it works. And now you are. Your financial life doesn't change overnight. It changes one decision at a time. One saved dollar, one tracked expense, one habit that future you will thank you for. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Subscribe if you want honest, practical financial advice without the fake guru nonsense. And remember, money doesn't fix your life, but it gives you the freedom to build one. I'll see you in the next video.